You're never too old to live an amazing life. But let me ask you a question. Do you have the energy and the stamina to do whatever it is that you want to do? Or do you feel like your body has started to shut down on you? The truth is that if you don't take care of yourself and push back against the natural aging process, then you'll find yourself feeling more and more tired and weaker as the years go by. And you certainly won't be able to enjoy your golden years to the fullest. Now, as we age, there are many changes that occur in our bodies that we simply can't avoid. But one of the most concerning issues that we face is something called sarcopenia. Simply put, this is a medical term for muscle loss due to age. As you may already know, your muscles are what allows you to move, walk, run, jump, and even sit up straight. They're also crucial when it comes to protecting your bones and internal organs. But, unfortunately, as we get older, we start to lose muscle mass. This happens because our body produces less protein, which is one of the building blocks of muscle tissue. Additionally, we tend to become less active as we age, which contributes to muscle loss. Between 20 and 30, we lose between 3 and 5% of our muscle mass each decade. After 60, however, that number jumps to 10%, and after 70, the rate of muscle loss accelerates even further. Now, not only does this make us physically weaker, but it can lead to a loss of independence and a lower quality of life as well. However, there's something that you can add to your morning coffee that will help you fight against the negative effects of aging and protect your muscles. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video so you don't miss any details. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell so that you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And just a quick reminder, we're not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Now, let's get started. First, I'm going to explain how sarcopenia affects you and why it's important to take action. I want you to imagine that you are going about your daily routine when suddenly you feel a sharp pain in your lower back. You try to stand up, but your legs feel weak and shaky. You slowly make your way to the bathroom, where you notice that you can barely make it without holding onto the counter for support. This wasn't supposed to be like this. You're only in your early 60s, and you still have a lot of things that you want to do. Unfortunately, what you're experiencing is the harsh reality of sarcopenia. Sarcopenia literally means loss of muscle mass. The word sarcopenia comes from two Greek words, sarco, meaning flesh or muscle, and penia, meaning poverty or loss. As you may already know, losing muscle mass is a natural part of the aging process. However, there are some things that you can do to slow down this process and maintain your mobility and independence for as long as possible. One of the most effective ways to combat sarcopenia is by making sure you get enough protein in your diet. Protein is essential when it comes to building and repairing muscle tissue, and it can also help you maintain a healthy body weight. On top of that, protein can improve your immune system and reduce inflammation throughout your body. This is very important as inflammation increases with age, and it can cause all sorts of health problems. A good rule of thumb is that you should aim to eat at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight each day. And of course, exercising regularly can also help you keep your muscles strong and healthy. It's important to focus on resistance training in particular, which can help you build muscle mass and improve your balance control. As you can see, sarcopenia can have a major impact on your life, but it doesn't have to. If you make the right lifestyle changes, you can easily slow down the progression of this condition and keep yourself strong and independent for years to come. One of the best ways to do this is by adding protein powder to your morning coffee. Protein powder is a convenient and easy way to get the nutrients you need to maintain muscle mass. In addition, it can also help you feel full and satisfied, which can be beneficial if you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy body weight. There are many different types of protein powders on the market, so it's important to choose one that's right for you. Whey protein is a popular choice among athletes because it's high in amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. It also contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs but can't produce on its own. On the other hand, casein protein is a good option for those who are looking for a protein powder that digests more slowly. This can help you stay full for longer periods of time. For people who are lactose intolerant, there are also protein options made from rice, peas, and hemp. You can experiment with these options until you find the right one for you. Next, I'm going to share with you a doctor-approved recipe that you can use to add protein to your morning cup of coffee. One of the most delicious and easy ways to boost your protein intake is by adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder to your morning coffee. Doing this can provide you with a quick and easy source of nutrients necessary to maintain muscle mass and overall health. To make a protein coffee, simply add a scoop of protein powder to your blender, along with your preferred milk or milk alternative. Then add ice cubes and blend until smooth. You can also add some flavorings such as vanilla extract or cocoa powder if you wish. Here are some additional tips that you can follow to make your protein coffee taste even better. First, you can use high-quality ingredients. This is essential when making any recipe, and it will ensure that your protein coffee tastes delicious and nutritious. Make sure to choose a protein powder that's made with high-quality ingredients and that's free of artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. Next, you can experiment with different types of milk and milk alternatives. Using a milk that you don't like or that doesn't agree with you can ruin the flavor of your protein coffee. That's why it's important to experiment with different types of milk and milk alternatives to find the one that you like the most. Some popular options include almond milk, soy milk, and coconut milk. And finally, you can get creative with your flavorings. If you're looking for some fun ways to spice up your protein coffee, try adding some flavorings such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or pumpkin spice. You can also add some whipped cream or a drizzle of honey for a little extra sweetness. As I mentioned before, sarcopenia is a common issue that affects many seniors. It can cause muscle loss and weakness, which can lead to a decline in physical function and an increased risk of falls and fractures. Not only that, but it can also cause a decrease in metabolism and weight loss. But the good news is that there are certain foods that you can add to your diet to help prevent and treat sarcopenia. These foods are packed with nutrients that will help you maintain your muscle mass and strength as you age. The first food that you should consider adding to your diet is salmon. This fatty fish is rich in protein and healthy fats, both of which are essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength. Salmon is also a good source of vitamin D, which has been shown to improve muscle function and reduce the risk of falls in older adults. Another food that you should consider adding to your diet is Greek yogurt. This dairy product is a great source of protein and calcium, which is important for maintaining bone health as you age. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics, which can help improve gut health and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Lentils are another excellent food that you should consider adding to your diet. They're a type of legume that's packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron and magnesium. Studies have shown that eating lentils regularly can help improve muscle strength and reduce muscle loss in older adults. Eggs are another versatile food that can help you prevent and treat sarcopenia. They're a great source of protein and healthy fats, and they also contain important vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and choline. Finally, nuts and seeds are a convenient and healthy snack that you can add to your diet to help prevent and treat sarcopenia. They're packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and they also contain important vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and magnesium. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are just a few examples of nuts and seeds that can help improve muscle strength and reduce muscle loss in older adults. There are many different ways to prevent sarcopenia and maintain your mobility and independence as you age. In addition to eating a balanced diet, you can also try practicing yoga, tai chi, or other forms of gentle exercise that improve your strength and balance. Just remember that it's never too late to make positive changes to your lifestyle. By following these tips, you can help your body adapt to the natural aging process and keep you living the life you want to live for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.